Hello guys, welcome to another build review from G3 Corporation. This is Gabriel Garcia again, and today we'll be reviewing one of our budget gaming PCs. We'll build in the Micro ITX motherboard with a GTX 750 Ti graphics card and the new G3258 unlocked CPU from Intel. So let's go check it out. So here we go guys, right here we have the EVGA GTX 750 Ti FTW with the ACX cooler. For the CPU we use the Intel G3258, as this is a budget gaming PC, but we also included the Corsair H50 water cooling, so you'll be able to overclock your CPU at decent frequency. For the motherboard we use the B85M DSH3 from MSI, which comes with a B85 chipset. It's gonna give you USB 3.0 in the front panel, SATA 6, dual BIOS, very nice motherboard, very stable. For the memory we use the Corsair 1600 MHz CL9, 8 GB, dual channel, and the hard drives is gonna be the Seagate 1 TB SATA 6. For the power supply, I think it's enough. The CX 500 power supply. We included the regular DVD burner writer, and I think that's it. So check it out in the front. So in the front, let's start over here. We have the regular 48x, 24x DVD rewriter. Right here we got the multi-reader, card reader. We have like 48 types here with a one USB 2.0. Right here is the power switch, the reset, mic, headset, two USB 3.0s, two USB 2.0s. Now you can see the fan with the grill in the front. It's gonna cool down your graphics card. It's gonna keep a nice airflow inside your case. Okay, let's see the back now. So right in the back we have up here two USB 2.0s, the PS2 for the keyboard and mouse, the old style one, BGA, DVI, HDMI. You don't gonna use any of these as you already have the graphics card. Right here, two USB 3.0s. Right down here, two more USB 2.0s, the gigabit LAN and the analog audio, mic in, line in. Right here, this is the graphics card, DVI, HDMI, and display port. Right here is the exhaust for your radiator. Alright. So now we're gonna see some benchmarks on the GTX 750 Ti, so you guys can see what's the performance of the graphics card. We used the Unigine Heaven benchmark. It came out pretty good, better than I expected. So for what I've seen, I think it's better than the PS4. Okay guys, hope you like this review, and hopefully this will bring more trust to our customers, see what we do, what we build, and the quality of what we do. So if you like the video, like it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you want. And don't forget to check our eBay store so you can see what we have so far. So guys, see you next time with another build from G3 Corporation.